Here we are down on the ground. Got Dickie up here directing us downward. We've not found solid dirt. We are a good, what are you, 8 feet? 7 feet? Yeah, probably 8 feet. Last pillar right here.
Going down.
Oh, you just sunk like 6 inches? You gotta be kidding me.
This is more wet. I mean, you could dig a well right here. Maybe we should put some lift in. Maybe we should go for water.
Well, we're building rebar cages today for the footings of the base. We got a bunch of 1/2-inch rebar bending into 3 by 3 by 4, 4.5. So all this will be filled with concrete. We'll get the brackets on top, posts going up. This is kind of what we're doing, bending, and yeah, welding together, which it's actually working pretty fast with this beautiful machine over here. It's pretty fascinating what this thing can do. Today it's September 1st today, and we are finally working from the ground up. Finally, we've been working on the ground down, getting the footings ready, and we're epoxying in threads. Once this is up, we're gonna get the first tower, hopefully standing up by tomorrow. I gotta read the instructions on the epoxy, see how much set time, but we can at least try to get it up here and get it together. So, yeah. Beginning of September, I think everything's going as planned. Here we go. We're epoxying today. Got the good old ET22 going 8 inches into the concrete here. Some of these are pretty nice. Yeah, it's a good 10 inches there. Yeah, there's our set. That's one of the legs of the tower. Ready to roll. And we got them all cleaned out. Doing 4 here. So the bases, we're going to get poured on concrete tomorrow, 17 yards. Got the plates for this one to put on. We got all the other three ready to go. Feeling strong, super strong. These guys are going to be so beefy. Yeah.